If your laptop feels like it's about to cook jollof rice every time you use it, this one's for you. Nigerian weather alone is enough heat, but when your laptop joins in, that's a problem. Overheating not only slows performance, it can permanently damage your motherboard. Step 1. Clean the air vents. Dust buildup is the biggest cause of overheating. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clear the vents. Don't block them with books, beds, or laps. Laptops need airflow. Step 2. Use a cooling pad. They're cheap, effective, and worth every naira. It reduces heat by 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and keeps performance steady even during heavy tasks. Step 3. Avoid high-performance mode. Go to your settings and switch to balanced or power saver mode when browsing or watching videos. It prevents your CPU from overworking unnecessarily. Step 4. Check background apps. Video editing software, antivirus scans, and browser tabs running in the background generate heat. Close what you're not using. Step 5. Keep your laptop updated. Manufacturers release BIOS and driver updates that optimize fan control. Don't ignore them. And if your laptop still gets hot, reapply thermal paste. This is an advanced step for technicians. The paste between your processor and heat sink dries over time, reducing cooling efficiency. Replacing it can drop temperatures dramatically. Lastly, don't work near heat sources. Nigerian sun plus laptop heat equals disaster. Stay in ventilated spaces and use external fans if needed. Your laptop isn't meant to suffer under the weather. Keep it clean, cool, and updated, and it'll serve you longer. Don't wait until the heat shuts it down before acting.